Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial series on if statements in Xamarin Studio. Language we're using is C#, and we're going to be writing code in both iOS and Android platforms. Now, if statements are a great way to introduce what we call control flow into the code. This is basically the code tests a condition, and if it's true, it executes a certain part of the code, and if it's not, it just ignores that part of the code and moves on. So I'll show you what one looks like right now. So we have the if, and notice how it's in this kind of turquoise color. And then we have these regular brackets and then the curly brackets. So inside these regular brackets here, we have some kind of condition. In fact, I'm just going to comment this out so that we don't get the autocomplete. That's some kind of condition to test. And then we have in these curly braces code to execute if condition is true. Okay, and we usually put them here and the other curly brace there. And again, just going to comment these out. So this is a basic if statement. We'll also be looking at else if and else statements, but again, those are for the later videos. I just want to show you right now what a basic if statement looks like. So just to quickly go over it, the compiler comes across the if, it will see some kind of condition, which is very often if something equals something, if something is greater than something, basically testing if two variables have the same value. So if some kind of a condition is true, and if it is, then the compiler will execute whatever code is here, whatever's in the curly braces, and if this condition fails, if it's not true, then this code gets ignored and the compiler will just focus on everything after the curly braces. So that's what a basic if statement looks like. We'll start with ifs, then we'll go to double ifs and nested ifs, then else ifs, elses, and we'll finally finish off by putting everything all together.